In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for bug tracking. We'll set up a ready-to-use bug tracking board using Trello's templates, so you can start capturing issues and moving them to resolution right away. Begin on your Trello boards page. This is your hub for everything you've created and anything shared with you. From here, look for the option that says Start with a Template. Templates are a great way to skip the blank page problem because they come with lists and example cards tailored to common workflows. Click that option to open the template choices. Next, select Explore Templates to see the full gallery. This takes you to a dedicated area where Trello organizes templates by team and use case. You can browse categories, but to get straight to the point, use the search bar. Type Bug Tracker. This brings up a purpose-built board designed around logging bugs, prioritizing them, and tracking progress from report to fix. Open the Bug Tracker template and choose Use Template. Trello will prompt you to configure your new board. First, give it a clear, descriptive title. A helpful approach is to combine your product or project name with the word bugs, so anyone scanning your boards instantly understands what it's for. Keeping a consistent naming pattern makes it easier to find later and keeps your workspace organized. Now choose the workspace where this board should live. Pick the one your engineering or QA team uses so the right people can access it. If multiple teams collaborate on bug resolution, choose the workspace that represents the broadest group or the one where your product boards already live to keep related work in one place. With the title and workspace set, click Create. Trello will generate your board from the template in just a moment. On your new board, you'll see pre-built lists, typically something like backlog, to do, in progress, and done, along with example cards that illustrate how to structure a bug report. This layout supports a simple flow. Log the issue, prioritize it, work on it, and move it to completion. The template often includes suggested labels or sample fields you can mirror when you start adding real bugs. Keep card titles concise and specific, and use the description to capture expected behavior, actual behavior, and steps to reproduce. That clarity speeds up triage and shortens the time to fix. From here, you're set to log your first issues and maintain a transparent pipeline of bugs. Using the template ensures consistency, and the workspace selection keeps the board in front of the right people so nothing falls through the cracks.